In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Square Appointments plan in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your services or simply in need of more robust scheduling tools, upgrading your Square Appointments can be the right move. And don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First off, the journey begins at the Square homepage. Head over to the official Square website. It's easy to find, just search for Power Your Entire Business Vertical Bar Square in your web browser, and it should be right there at the top of your search results. Once you're on the site, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the Sign In page, where you're prompted to enter your login credentials. Here comes an important part. You'll need to enter your email address associated with your Square account. Make sure to type it in correctly to avoid any login troubles. Next, it's time to enter your password. After entering your password, go ahead and sign in. A successful login will take you to your Square dashboard, which serves as mission control for all your Square activities. Now, you might be managing more than one store or business under your Square account. So, the next step is to select the specific business you wish to upgrade. To do this, simply click on your store name, located at the top right corner of the dashboard. This will pull up a menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section allows you to adjust personal information, security settings, and, importantly for us today, your subscription details. Within Account Settings, navigate to the Pricing and Subscriptions category. Here you'll find all the information about your current plan and the options available for upgrading. Once you're in the Pricing and Subscriptions section, look for the Manage option. Clicking on it will lead you to where you can review your current plan's features and compare them with other available plans. This is crucial because you want to make sure that the plan you're upgrading to meets all your business needs. After hitting Manage, it's time to do a little comparison shopping. Click on Compare Plans to see a detailed breakdown of what each plan offers, as well as the pricing structure. This step helps you make an informed decision by weighing the benefits of different plans against their costs. Once you've reviewed the plans and found the one that suits your business best, it's time to make your selection official. To do this, look for the Contact Sales button. This might seem like an extra step, but it's actually a great opportunity. By contacting sales, you can discuss any questions you have about the plan, potentially negotiate better terms, or get help with the setup process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully navigated the process of upgrading your Square Appointments plan. Upgrading your plan not only unlocks new features and capabilities, but also supports your business as it grows and changes. Remember, choosing the right plan for your business is vital. Consider your specific needs, such as the number of appointments you manage, the size of your team, and any particular features that are essential for your operations. We hope this video has been helpful. Upgrading your Square Appointments plan is a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of your new plan in no time. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Square's customer support team is always ready to help. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Here's to your business's success with your upgraded Square Appointments plan.